we are doing the Despacito Eat the Burrito thing. So, yeah. My name's Max.
My name is Parker. And our camerawoman is not here today. She's usually just here for challenges that we will be doing in the near future.
Okay, so
Today we're doing part 2 of our food review, but with chocolate.
Oh. Alright, I covered it up.
Let's get into this right away. Okay, starting with the part 2. This is the bar of caramel chocolate. Go show them. Lit.
Alright, so it's like the almond chocolate yesterday, but it's caramel.
It has a caramel inside.
Yeah.
Okay, half or whole? Half, right?
Yeah.
Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Okay.
The caramel, just make it taste like way more sweeter.
Hey, Parker, what do you talk to this?
And it's pretty good. I mean, you like it?
Mm-hmm.
If you want to see the inside, here we go. Oh yeah, we have our water here. It's again to wash out the flavor so that we can taste the next thing.
That one was kind of melting.
Yeah.
Tastes good.
Tastes good.
So next we have the caramel whirls.
Yeah.
Here's the box.
The inside has a lot of more caramel than chocolate because we've had these before.
And here's the little wrapping for them. So,
Yeah, you take one. All right, go show them.
alright. Real good. It's good.
So it has a lot of caramel in it.
Yeah.
More caramel than chocolate. Ready?
Okay, ready, set,
Go.
I don't like that at all. Well,
See-
I kind of like it, but not that much.
It has too much caramel. That like overtakes the chocolate. Right?
Mm-hmm.
You want to see that inside there? It's like really, really thick with that caramel in there.
Okay. And next, we have the mint melt-away wafers. What does that say?
Melt-aways.
Yeah.
Mint melt-aways.
Here's the box. Then, sorry. Here's what they look like. And
So mint melt-aways. Let's taste these.
I'm gonna show them.
It's a square this time, and the caramel whirls were a circle, which held the caramel in it.
Ready?
I'm gonna go half.
Yeah.
Ready, set, go.
Just like nothing in the inside.
It's the mint in the inside.
You can.
I'll show you guys. So you like? It tastes really good. I like it.
And I don't like mint. So it's okay.
It tastes like a York.
Oh yeah, we forgot we forgot to rate everything.
Andes mint. We'll do that at the end.
Oh.
It tastes like an Andes mint.
Sorry for the beeping. You heard that.
All right, let's rate these. All right, first we will rate the caramel bar. What do you think?
I give that 10 out of 10.
I give it a 10 out of 10. I love caramel. The caramel whirls, because it was too much caramel, I'd say a 7 for me.
6 or 5 for me.
Alright. Mint Meltaways, Mint Miltoys. I rate a 9 out of 10. What do you rate it, Max?
Probably like a 7 out of 10. I like them. I just don't like them.
Yeah, they were really good. I like them.
All right. Well, I think that's it. Tacos.
That's it for our world's finest chocolate, and everything here is pretty fine. Okay. Make sure you subscribe, turn on that notification bell, and like that
button.
video.
Oh yeah.
Bye, Taco.
Oh, I don't stop it yet. And
Okay,
also,
okay.
don't forget to subscribe to Lola and June's channel.
Yes, they do really good skits, and they're still going, right?
Yeah.
There's a new video coming today.
Every day.
Every day. Mostly every day.
We'll try to do it every day.